Because he wants to change the car. He is hiding. Tididing, tididing. No practice. Tididing, here. Here he is hiding. He is hiding.
He's hiding here.
Yes.
So funny si Bam Bam.
Yes. He is so funny. Let's look at the face of Bam Bam. Oh. He's hiding. Bam. So dirty there.
So dirty there.
Sabi na kalpi. Ang pilian tayo.
So dirty. Kuya. Face here, Kuya. This is our evidence. Kuya. Come here. Kuya. Face. Face me. Kuya, face me, Kuya.
Huh?
Face me. Yeah, this is our evidence that Mama is hiding there. He's hiding. Bye-bye. Bam, what are you doing there? So dirty.